Hey everybody, today we're checking out 10 must-have toys on Amazon. I'm going to show you these 10 things and you're really going to love the last one. And basically there are 3 criteria by which I do this. First is they have to be very highly rated. Second, they have to seem really fun or educational or useful. They have to really have something special and unique about them to me. And then finally, there has to be value for money there. I don't want you guys overpaying for anything. And if you're interested in any of these, there will be links in the description. So the first one is this 3-pack of these airplane launcher toys, which I think are just so cool. And if we can look how well they fly, it's just really neat. They have lights on them. You can shoot them. They fly really far. They're soft, so you can shoot them inside. If you shoot them at night, they just make amazing lights, and you can shoot them. If you shoot them off your porch or something like that, they'll fly really far. And there are 3 of them so that kids can play with their friends. The next one is this smoothie play set for Play-Doh. Now, I love and kids love toys that let them do adult things. And to be able to actually cook with Play-Doh is just super cool. And this is really a great price. And as you can see, it's currently 50% off. It has these molds so you can make all kinds of different fruit, which then you can put the fruit inside the smoothie. Really, really cool. This next one is both fun and educational. It's a Lego set, but what this Lego set is it is a model of the sun, the earth, and the moon, and it's really neat because it actually moves. So the moon orbits around the earth, and the earth orbits around the sun, and it is on a great promotion right now, under $60 for this very cool Lego set. You actually just turn the handle there, and you can control it, and you can. What's really neat is you can actually go through the calendars of the year and see where is the sun as it tilts, as the earth goes around and as it tilts and everything like that. The next one is for any parent that has kids and they love to run around and play inside, but you don't want them kicking balls all over the place. This hover soccer ball is super cool in that it only works sliding on the ground, so it really encourages kids to be gentle with it and just slide it across the floor, and they can play inside if it's a rainy day and they still want to do something inside. This is a great toy to have, and again, it's under $20, super popular, everybody's loving it. The next one on here is another active toy that kids love, which is this Whack-A-Mole. I remember at the arcades when I was a kid loving these toys where you bang on things. So this thing, you get to knock the frogs down when they light up. It's super fun, super funny. Kids love playing it. And it's currently on a huge, almost 50% off discount. Thousands of them sold every month. Very highly rated. The next one is a great toy for that budding adventurer, hunter-adventurer, is this super cool bow and arrow set that has lights on it. It's really, really cool the way it's more than just a bow and arrow set. The whole thing lights up and glows in the dark. So if you're shooting it around at nighttime and stuff like that, you can even use it to really just bring that adventurer spirit out of your children, and it is super fun to play. It is also currently on promotion, under $30. It's hard to miss. The next one is obviously playing off what all the kids out there love, which is this Baby Shark. And so this is a coloring book of the Baby Shark brand, so you can color in all of the different sharks. It's a great rainy day activity, and it's on already a great deal, and it's on super deal, less than $8. How can you go wrong? This next one, the kids that I think that would like this the most are if your kid is that kind of budding entrepreneur, lemonade stand starting type of kid. This is a great toy for him because it lets him sort of start his own fruit and vegetable business by having these different baskets and everything like that that he can then sell. Really lets you play adult, play grocery shopping, play cooking food. And again, this is another great deal, 40% off currently. For the next one, what I love about this is a garbage truck, but what I love about it is it's not just the truck. You also get all of the garbage cans and everything like that, and that's really, really cool because that lets you not only have the truck, but you can actually drive the truck around and be the garbage man. I think that is just so neat. Again, like kids that love to kind of play adult, they're going to absolutely love this. Makes sounds, it lights up, has a dumpster that you can actually put things in, and then it will actually dump it in the dump truck, and then you can actually dump the garbage truck. I think this is super cool. And then last but not least, another toy that goes both in the direction of fun and also educational are these magnetic blocks that let kids really use their creativity to build and construct and conceive anything that they want to imagine. Really, the only limit with a toy like this is your imagination in terms of what you can build and create. Tear it down, build something new, different colors, super neat. There are 40 pieces in here, so there's enough to really make a whole lot of different stuff. Again, it's on sale. You can get it for just over $20. This is definitely a good buy. So I hope you found something you liked in here, and again, links to all these will be in the description below.